Sabi nila, mahangin daw ako. Sabi nila, malandi daw ako.
Sabi nila, pang lalaki daw boses ko.
Sabi nila, maarte daw ako.
Sabi nila, epal daw ako.
Sabi nila, masyado daw akong weirdo.
Sabi nila, feeling matalino daw ako.
Sabi nila, mukha daw akong syokoy. Hi, I'm Jane Mendoza, and I'm a victim of cyberbullying.
Bata pa lang ako, mahilig na ako sumali sa contest, mapasinging, dancing, o beauty pageants. Pero ni minsan walang kumwestiyon sa ginagawa ko. Not until I reached my second year in college. That time, I was asked to join Ginoong Binibining Pamantasan 2014. Unfortunately, I didn't win, but I had accepted it wholeheartedly, and I even consoled my fellow contestants. That same year, I was asked again to join Mr. Miss Philosophy. And I think that's where it all started. One day, my friends just walked up to me and told me,
Uy, Jane, nakita mo ba yun sa TTA?
I was shocked. My first thought was, did I do something wrong? Who did it? Then I read it, and it told me all sort of names like mukha kang syokoy, that I shouldn't have entered the contest, as it was for true girls only, and that I should stop being bossy and stuff like that. I wondered all week, is there really something wrong with me? I appeared nonchalant about it to my friends, but looking back, I was truly hurt. However, I knew I had to move on. These are just an opinion of someone who probably don't know me as a person. I wouldn't let something like this to hinder me to live a happy life. Sometimes, harsh words can hurt a person more than physical pain. Words hurt and scar more than you think. So think before you click.